TravelDog here with the RaifyD, and we are just outside London in New Malden, and we are on the search forever as the best fried chicken the world can offer. And here we are just outside London in Wimbledon. You'll have a quick glimpse of London there, and if you spin around to the right and then pound your way back across Wimbledon, you get to New Malden, which is just there in the distance. New Malden is famous for like fantastic Korean supermarkets and Korean food, like this amazing hot pot we had a while back, and also like deep fried Korean chicken. So this place, ranked 4 out of 59 restaurants in New Malden, is famous for deep frying a whole chicken. So we had to go and check it out. What we are looking for is apparently a whole chicken chopped up and deep fried that will make your mind go mad. Okay crew, so here we are outside Chicken Beers. Let's go and see what happens inside this amazing Korean chicken restaurant. Okay crew, so here we are inside Chicken Beers. Here's the menu, we've got all sorts of funky stuff on here. We have gone for what I think is the classic, which is basically like a whole chicken chopped up, deep fried. 14 to 15 pieces for 2, and we have gone, actually we've got something that's on the menu. We've got 3 ways. So we've got spicy sweet chili, garlic, and what was the other one? Plain. Okay, so RaifyD's just doing a bit of crazy stuff with his Sprite and hurling it around the room. Okay, so
what else have you ordered?
So what else we've ordered? I've also ordered extra pickled veg, like a classic kind of Korean thing. Should be good, should cut through the sort of fatness, oiliness. We've also ordered Cajun fries, but you could have sweet potato fries, onion rings, spam fries. Oh man, that sounds mad. Do you know what spam is?
Yeah.
Yeah, like weird meat.
Tin meat.
Yeah, that's so cool. There's quite a famous Korean dish called soldier stew that has all these kind of, it has like processed meats in it with noodles and everything like that. I made it the other day at home. But yeah, so you could also go for yeah, down here you've actually got chef specials. So these are more like Korean dishes. So you've got kimchi fried rice, spicy fried pork and rice, beef bulgogi, marinated raw crab. Oh man, that sounds so good.
How come you didn't get any kimchi though?
Egg fried rice. Well, I thought we probably didn't need any extra kimchi.
Kimchi pancake.
Oh, kimchi pancake sounds amazing.
You could choose any of these, just one. Which would you choose?
Oh, any of the whole major dishes?
Any of on this thing?
Oh, is there a this one? Sundubu jjigae, spicy stew with soft tofu and mixed seafood. How can you not choose that?
I thought you would have chose like a raw crab.
Oh, actually, man, maybe the marinated raw crab. Fair enough. Either of those would be good choices, I think, for this adventure. It is just us on the Tuesday night, just after Mother's Day, chilling out. But yeah, it's got a really good vibe, and the guy serving us is really cool. And if I stop asking him questions about Korean food, he'll probably like us even more. Do you think, or not? Okay, crew, so the chips have arrived. RaifyD, delve in. We got 2 sauces. That is a
Sweet chili.
Sweet chili. That is a
Garlic soy.
garlic soy. Okay, right. These are really nice, super freshly cooked, actually.
Nice and warm. Seasoning, Cajun seasoning.
What do you think?
Really nice and hot, nice and crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Flavour is really good too.
Flavor's good. I think it's
Just a good chip. Right, 8.75 to 9.
8.75 to 9 for the chips.
Good chips.
It's literally, they're right here. This is, which sauce do you say this was?
Sweet chili.
Sweet chili. Let's go for sweet chili. And we go sweet chili. That sauce is so good. I love the sauce, man.
I'll try. Although it's
No, it's just so much better than a normal sweet chili sauce. It's got like a, more Korean vibe.
Nice.
Oh, look, here we come.
Chicken down here for you guys.
Go for it. Oh wow, that looks so cool.
So that's the spicy chili, plain fried in the middle. That's the garlic soy.
Nice. Look at that, cool.
That's good.
Leave some pickles.
Oh, fantastic, thank you.
Yeah, bowl just for chicken bones and whatnot. And
Okay.
if you need anything else, give us a shout.
Nice one, cheers, thank you very much.
No problem.
Okay, crew. So, the chicken has arrived. Exactly.
Really
Look
nice
at
and
that.
crispy. Just for
Looks
touch.
amazingly crispy. Look at that.
So,
Absolutely beautiful looking.
garlic soy.
This is garlic soy on the left.
Normal fry.
Normal fry.
And then here
is the
sweet chili.
spicy sweet chili. Spicy sweet chili.
It's quite
So look, it looks absolutely amazing. It looks hot. It looks so excited. We've also got pickle. Oh, do you want to try pickle quick?
No.
Oh,
Don't need it.
I just love pickles. I love the pickles. We were midway through the chips. Which was the chip sauce we didn't do? This one?
Yeah. Garlic.
Let's just do the garlic and soy.
Is this for the chips or for the thing?
I think both really. But nice.
Really interesting flavour.
Exactly.
Really nice.
I think you're absolutely right. The flavours are really interesting, much more interesting than usual. So much nicer than just having a ketchup. The garlic soy is actually, that is really good. Really nice.
Alright, so let's try the wing.
Let's try the wings. First we're going to try the normal. Normal's in the centre. Okay, so this
Already really nice and crispy.
Oh, it's nice and crispy. This is literally, it's a whole chicken chopped up, fried. So there's all sorts of stuff in it, neck and this and that.
Neck.
Right, so this is just the normal chicken wing we're going for
Quite
first, yeah?
hot. I'm not sure
It's
if I'm
really
going to be
hot,
able to eat this yet. You eat yours first.
Oh man. Oh. No, good.
So hot.
Oh, hot. But
I'm going to wait for a minute.
it is hot.
It's
It is
like
hot.
really hot.
But it's like got a oh look at it, it's got a really nice succulent. Oh look at that.
So
You see the
juicy.
steam coming out of it. It's so hot.
And
It's like all
really
the
juicy
it's
fried
juicy.
chicken. It's like crispy but juicy.
It's crispy. It's like all the flavours been
Right, let me
planted. Do you want to hold that bit? I've chopped off. Right. It's like it's got a hint of like KFC, but with a much deeper, richer flavour. But the chicken is. I don't know about you, but what I get off it most, is there's just something profoundly satisfying about it. Don't you think?
Very
You're just
hot.
like, it is really hot, but that's good. But you just feel, this is beautiful. Oh man. I don't think it's even the basic breasty bits. It's actually these little tiny.
It's really good. It's really soft.
Soft.
Really soft and really crispy while also like being really juicy.
But I actually think the best bit,
Really nice.
they give you a little bowl to throw in the bone.
That's not the
It's
best
really
bit.
nice. But I think it's actually
That's hot.
it's almost the incidental bits of a chicken you wouldn't have focused on before. The tiny little bits which taste so nice, they've been deep fried.
It's not like really oily either.
No, at all. Absolutely right.
Just
Not at
the
all,
plain wing. What would you give it?
8 and a half.
8.5, yeah, because it is just plain still. So
Let's just play.
8.5. I think 8.5 because it's really soft.
I think 8.5.
Juicy, crispy.
Really interesting. Really nice. I love the way it kind of makes all the other little weird bits of the chicken tastier. Like, because you got the whole chicken and you got all the different bits of it, which you don't normally get. It kind of enhances all the other little.
Because we do all the butchery in-house.
Oh, do you? Oh, that's nice.
So obviously when you get chicken breast and there's no kind of bone on it.
Yeah, exactly. It's not the same, is it?
I think that definitely deserves 8.75.
8.75. I agree. Up it. I think
that's
it's got to
just
go
the
up.
plain.
It's got to go up. Just the plain that's got to go up.
It's so soft but crispy. Well, still juicy.
It's soft and crispy and getting better as we eat it, I would say. And it's just really picking out all those lovely bits of the chicken. Right. That was spicy sweet chili, was it?
Yeah.
And this side, because he was so cool, the dude, to go with spicy sweet chili, and this is the garlic, isn't it?
I think we tried garlic next.
Garlic? Yeah, okay. Okay, I've got like a wing. What do you got? Whoa, look at that. So succulent.
Yeah, I've got the same kind of thing.
Okay, should we go for it?
It also is really soft.
Yeah, does your mine say?
No, I'm happy with mine. It's the same. So hot.
That is really good.
Really juicy, this one.
Really.
It's more juicy. It's a lot more juicy.
Not more juicy than the other one. Maybe it was just the cut of the chicken, but it's a lot more juicy. And actually, that was so good, I had to just stop speaking and eat it. What I love is that flavour, the soy flavour. It just really is sort of It's, like you say, it's interesting. It's just slightly more interesting than usual.
What's intriguing is it doesn't really taste garlicky, it tastes quite sweet. I mean, I normally hate sweet kind of chicken, but it's actually really nice.
It is quite sweet. Maybe it's like a sweet soy sauce. Maybe there's a little bit of sugar. Possibly something else within that garlic soy sauce. I think it's just really moreish. It's tasty. It's maybe the soy's got like an umami flavour, a meaty flavour that makes you want more.
Yeah, I think I like it a bit more than that one, but personally not dramatically more. But like, I could eat it more if it
Yeah, because the different flavours, yeah.
So I think I'd give it a 9.
I'd give that an easy 9. I thought it was absolutely stunning. I could just keep
And
eating
you might
it
give it
again and
more.
again and again. Finally,
Sweet chili. What are
spicy
these
sweet
bits
chili.
on
Isn't it? They look like little bits of fried garlic to me. I'm not sure if that's right.
Could not tell from that.
Can't tell. Oh,
Nice texture.
oh, that was good.
It's quite interesting pieces, but
But that's the beauty of having a whole chicken chopped up. You've got everything. Neck, this, that.
that's the best one.
That is.
Really nice spice to it too. That is actually really nice.
That is 9.5 out of 10. Absolutely stunning. The spice on it is good, man, as well.
It's not spicy, but it's like it's a nice level.
So it's a mild spice, but it's there. It's like but it's so much more rich than like a McSpicy burger from McDonald's.
I use hopes, but
No, got a richer, more interesting flavour. How would you describe it?
similar sweetness, but it's got the nice chili and like spice to it.
Andre, you don't normally like slight sweet things, but there is a sweetness, but the sweetness doesn't detract
But-
from this one, does it?
Something about the spice makes the sweetness like less annoying personally. Because I don't normally like sweet chicken, but I really like this.
This time, the spice, actually, the sweetness comes as like a nice balance to the spice. Got to be said, the whole chicken is very filling.
Actually,
No?
it is.
For 2, more than enough. You don't even really need the chips.
Probably don't.
I still think what I think is particular about it is these little, like the edges of the chicken, the corners. I'd say maybe with the KFC where you get it, it's a bit dry and horrible. These little bits here, each little corner, each little edge of the chicken is tasty, so it's like a full-on, I don't know if you have a nose to tail on chicken, but you know, it's like the whole thing is made tasty and yummy. And these are just wonderful. RaifyD's left a bit. We are full.
And look, there's a bus we came on.
Oh, it's the bus we came. We are full. And there's still more to go, which I will eat. But
I think we can give the overall rating now.
yeah, do you want to do the overall rating? Will I just continue eating it?
8.75.
Not
Chips
bad.
are really good. Chicken's really good. I just find it's really. I mean, I guess it'd be really filling, not bad. It's a bit sick.
I think filling's good.
But otherwise,
If
really
you want to
good.
feed your family, come here, man.
That is
100%. I feed them up. It's so unbelievably satisfying. I
really
could eat
good.
like a dog, but I'm full.
I feel a
Still
bit
going.
sick at the end, but otherwise,
Oh, so much.
good though.
Oh, really good.
Your rating?
No, 9. Really good. Amazingly satisfying. The flavours are different to what you normally have. So it's something exciting, new.
And I like
It's
how
a
you
new
get it
take
in
on a
this.
classic thing. I like that. Like the trail. Okay, we're back outside our lamppost where we were in the beginning. Anything else you want to round up with, RaifyD?
So it was really good, really nice, really soft, crispy. Chips were nice, soft on the inside, crispy. Only issue is I thought personally at the end it got a bit sickly, maybe a bit greasy, maybe it's sweet, I don't know.
I think at the end it
I
did
think
get a bit.
that's what brought it down. So I think it deserves an 8.5, 8.75.
8.5 is good. It was actually,
It's really good.
it's by far better than like a sort of KFC thing. The
It was
flavours
better than Thunderbirds.
was better than Thunderbirds. Flavours were beautiful, and it was a really fun place to go. You could make it even more exciting with the kimchi or bulgogi and rice, but it was beautiful. Just a whole piece of chicken hacked up. They do all their own butchery, chopped up, thrown in front of you, deep fried. Beautiful. I would go for the flavours though.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think the spicy sweet chili was by far the best. I'd say.
Personally, better than what was it called? Thunderbirds.
Thunderbirds.
And worse than Wingstop, just because I love Wingstop.
Oh, you love Wingstop?
I love Wingstop. wings.
Is Wingstop your favourite?
I don't know. Maybe it's because I don't like. I think I like their flavours more because I don't like sweet flavours that much.
Oh yeah, it was quite
Personal opinion.
sweet. It was quite sweet in a way, but the spice on the spicy sweet chili
Was nice.
made it nice. That was actually a really nicely balanced flavour. But yeah, I really enjoyed it, and you should definitely try it. It's definitely one of the places to try. I think primarily
Yeah, I
because
definitely recommend it.
the flavours within it are just slightly different to usual, and it makes it just a little bit more exciting and tasty. And I think the main thing I enjoy is that it's a whole chicken chopped up.
Good idea.
You never get that. It's whole, so you've got all these little weird bits of chicken and flesh and stuff you don't normally get, and all those bits are what make it. That's what makes it really good and interesting. So I'm going to up it to a 9 for that.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Okay. 8.75. 9. As ever, like and subscribe for more fun videos about food and travel from TravelDog. Are you ready for the bark?
No.